Vanilla Ice, and you're checking out Racers and Rods Media.
Right there.
Hey, welcome to After Dark.
This is Miss Racing Hell from Pin Up and Pumps, and you are watching Racers and Rods.
Hey, this is Jim, and we're live on site with the Racers and Rods Media Network. A little bit about it, really interesting story.
Hey guys, this is Jordan from Bradenton Performance Supply. You're watching Racers and Rods.
Out here at another great show today, doing what we do.
All right, hey guys, this is Nathan Sissio Performance.
I'm Alex Taylor, and you're watching Racers and Rods.
Hey guys, this is Andre Ciapetta with your Florida Exotic Realty Group. We're the Motor Mob family, and you're watching Racers and Rods.
So here we are, Engine 53 Pizza. Hey, we're doing a taste test here today.
Hi, my name is Liliana Funtal. I'm your current Miss Manatee County's teen.
Juliana Frey, Miss Manatee County 2024.
Hey everybody, Jim here again from Racers and Rods Media.
So this is actually built in 1940.
Hey everybody, Jim here again, Racers and Rods Automotive Media.
Hi, I'm Janet. This is my 1933 Ford pickup.
Howdy everybody, Racers and Rods here. Hey everybody, Jim here, Racers and Rods Automotive Media again today.
All right, man, we're here with Racers and Rods. We're here with Don't Planet.
Hey, good morning, Jim here, Friday morning.
Racers and Rods. We're in Atlanta.
So we're here at the Foxbrook Car Show. It's an annual event.
All right, everybody, here we are Sunday morning. We're at Atlanta Lowrider 2023.
We broke a turbo on the last round of the first.
All right, we're here with Alex Taylor this morning.
Hi, my name is Charles, and we sell freeze-dried candy.
I'm Digital Dan, the car show man.
I'm Terry Galley from Mental Virginia. BMW, wide body, all custom. You're watching Racers and Rods.
Hey everybody, Jim out here tonight at Fuzzy Taco Shop here in Brandon, Florida.
We're Angry Motor Society. You're watching Racers and Rods.
Hey everybody, Jim here again from Racers and Rods Media.
So, Racers and Rods, follow us on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook. All right, hey everybody, Jim here, Racers and Rods Automotive Media. We're in Tampa today. Hey everybody, Jim here from Racers and Rods. Hey, I've got a cool custom for you today.
We're here with Down for Life.
Hey everybody, hopefully you can hear me. Jim here, Racers and Rods. We're in Tampa. Hey everybody, Jim back here, Racers and Rods Media today. We're out here in Okeechobee, Florida. Hey everybody, Jim here for Racers and Rods. Hey everybody, Jim here, Racers and Rods. We're out at Brevard Buick GMC dealership today. Hey everybody, good evening. Jim here, Racers and Rods Media Network.
We're Mild and Wild, and you're watching Racers and Rods.
Literally no shit, got goosebumps.
Hey, this is Andre Ciapetta with Florida Exotic Realtor. You're watching Slam Fest coverage on Racers and Rods.
Hey, around with Racers and Rods. The biggest event is huge victory. There's nothing better. The man is the man. What can you say?